Hey, it's Jennifer Krosch, your local Sioux Falls realtor, coming to you live from this home in South Central Sioux Falls. I want to show you what $569,000 will buy you here in this area of Sioux Falls. We are going to be touring a 4-bed, 4-bath home that is sitting on a corner lot. It has been fully remodeled and the exterior updated and refreshed with new sod and landscaping. 2-stall garage. Again, this is in a beautiful South Central Sioux Falls area. Lots of walkers, bicycles. It's just a great place to live. Let's go inside and take a look at the home. Again, this exterior has been updated and refreshed. New walkway up to the front steps. A new steps, siding. This is just nothing but move in and enjoy. As we come in the front door, you're going to be greeted by this large open main level. This is a multi-level home. It has 4 levels to it. When you come into the home, you're going to come into the main living spaces, your kitchen, your dining room, living room, and in this case, you also have a 4-season sunroom. As you pan just inside the foyer, you're going to notice these beautiful hardwood floors, a fully updated kitchen with granite countertops, floor to ceiling cabinetry, a double, take a look there, that double oven. But again, tons of entertaining space here in this home, lots of large windows, bright, with a lot of sunlight in. You could probably fit a 12-person dining room table there in that space, as well as the living room here. Let's go upstairs where 3 of the 4 bedrooms are. As you get to the top of the stairs, you've got, again, a fully renovated bathroom with new cabinetry, granite countertops, a tiled tub shower, storage closet for additional space. Coming down the hallway, we're going to have the 2 smaller bedrooms here on the main level. You've got this one here. It's a very generous sized bedroom. You could fit a queen bed in this space without any trouble. You've got 2 closets. I love the 3-panel solid wood doors that have been put in the home. Second bedroom up here, again, a very good sized bedroom. This home finished has over 3,000 square foot. As we head into the primary, again, a very generous sized room. You would be able to fit a king bed in here, some nightstands, some additional dressers. This room is above the garage, looking out on the street. And then you can go into the primary bathroom, which again has been fully renovated with a double sink and a tub with a tiled enclosure. We've got a double closet. Let's go ahead and move on downstairs. We'll go right down to the lowest level in the home, or the 4th floor, and then we'll take a look at this walkout level. So again, there's approximately about 5 steps per each floor. So to go up to that top floor, you're going to have 5 steps. Then you come down to the 3rd level, and then the lowest level, you've got about 5 steps. Down here in this lower level, you've got the 4th bedroom. Again, a really good sized room, not cramped at all in any way. It is a legal bedroom with the egress and a nice view out to the backyard. And then we've got another 3/4 bath. Again, it has been renovated, updated bath, toilet, and then it has the shower. Down in this lower level, this lowest level, is where your laundry is going to be located, your electrical panel. There's some additional storage there for you. This is a huge bonus, this room right here. It is probably about a 16 by 20 room space. You could use this for any number of things. Maybe you're a movie watcher. This would be a fantastic movie theater. Dark room, you wouldn't have to worry about light. A gym, a playroom. Oh gosh, I could keep going, but number of things you could do with that room. And then you come into the mechanical. This is where your furnace is, the water heater. And then you've got a sump pit. In the Sioux Falls surrounding area, it's very customary to have a sump. Some run more than others. As we come out of this floor, the stairs have been tiled. It's very nice, very smooth. As we come to this middle level, I'm going to call it, this is the family room, which has a walkout patio out to the backyard. Another really nice feature that this home has is that sunroom, Four Seasons sunroom. There is a storage space underneath that. It's fully insulated, so it's some great additional space for you to be able to store items. Great size backyard, great for pets or kids to be playing, or you could turn it into a backyard oasis just for yourself. Now, if we go out this door here, this is going to take you out to the 2-stall garage. It's a good size garage with a epoxy floor already finished in it. It's an oversized 2-stall garage with this additional space over here for you to be able to store additional items or be a nice little workbench area. And then we've got a half bath down here. So again, this home has 4 beds, 4 baths. It's 3,032 square foot. It's located in a very sought after South Central part of Sioux Falls. And this home is listed for $569,900. Just wanted to show you what $569,900 will buy you here in the Sioux Falls area. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and you'll get updates when I add new home tours to my channel. And if you're interested in taking a look at the property itself, give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd love to pop out and give you a tour of this beautiful home.